Thank you very much. You're welcome once again to Carl's Music. Yes. My name is Calvin and I play the piano. Yeah. And today I'm just doing the iPhone ringing tone. Yeah. Yeah. The iPhone ringing tone. I think it's the popular ringing tone of iPhone. I don't know. Yeah. Is the default. Yeah. I think is the default. So I'm just doing it. Some people want to learn for, I don't know, fingering exercise or something. You can use it for fingering exercise too. Yes. So let's get into it. Before I do that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscription button. Just take 2 seconds or 1 second to just click on it to subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm first doing what we are supposed to do on our right, and after the left, then we merge them. Okay. So this is how the right hand goes. Right? So it's like G, B flat, C. So you go up, then you come down. Pam 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 pam. Then F, then C, then B flat, C, then A, then back to G. Right. So right. Right. Pam 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 pam. Right. So on the left, this is how on the left it goes. Right. E flat, C, E flat, F, then C, then B flat, then back, then we land on F and A, right? So sorry. Right? Pam 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 pam, right? Pam 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 pam, right? So on the right, and on the left, then pam 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 pam, right? Then let's try to merge them. So after you've learned, you've mastered on the right hand, you've mastered on the left hand, then you try to merge them. So this is how it is. Right? Oh. Then back to. Right? So this is how it is. Like that. Right, then you get it. So just practice it, and you get the hang of it. So for the last time, right? Right? Again. Right? You get it? So this is how it is. So just practice it, and then you can play it faster like this. Yes, thank you very much. Make sure you comment, you subscribe, you share, you like. Thank you very much. Ciao.